Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lisk. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very big bullish harmonic reversal setup that Lisk has completed on the weekly time frame. And now we can expect a very powerful bullish reversal move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis and let's move to this weekly time frame chart. Here we have this harmonic bullish reversal gardley move that has been formed on this weekly time frame, and we can see that the maximum buying was at $1.51, and the price line reached at the maximum extent of this buying zone and reversed from here from $1.51. And we can see that the recent drop was started here at the end of November, and we were down more than 67%. Right now we are approximately 58% down, and here we can also observe that there is a very long-term trend line support that was coming from here from March 2020, and you can see that the price line was not able to break down this support for the long term. Like here we had nice bounce by this support here, and here we had nice accumulation and very big rally then. And after this test of this support here, we again had another rally, and right now the price line has recently broken down this support at the mid of January 2022, and at this time we are stuck below this resistance, because previously it was working as a very strong support. Now it can work as a very strong resistance, and right now you can see that the price line, while getting reverse bullish from this potential reversal zone, stuck here, and we are again having a bearish candlestick appeared on this weekly time frame. However, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then here price line was moving in a bearish pennant since the last week of October 2021, and finally here it has broken out this resistance on 2nd of Feb, and also broke out the exponential moving average. This red line is the exponential moving average 21, and right now it is testing the exponential moving average 21 as a support. If it will break down the EMA 21, then it can retest the previous resistance of this bearish pennant as a support. However, otherwise it can start a reversal move from this EMA 21. Now the target for this bearish pennant will be approximately at here at $4.45, and if we take a look at the targets for this harmonic bullish reversal gardley move, then our targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern are from $3.53 and goes to $4.78. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.